Okay, now in a first session, we completed with SR latch and the 4:1 multiplex. The next is the D latch, that is using CMOS and obtain the static and the dynamic analysis for the speed and power dissipation. Okay. Now in this circuitry, what is going to be happen? There is this diagram I just suggest you to make. As I told you in SR latch, like in SR latch, 2 NOR gate we used. And see, this thing I want to make you clear. Before this, in SR latch also, this in this particular designing, in one NOR gate I am giving one input, other one is feedbacking. Fine. Here in the same way, in S Q bar Q is coming and R Q bar is going. Fine. The same thing is replicating here. This is my S. Here I am not giving any input, but yes, of course, S में क्या Q का output feedback होगा. That should be come. So see this. I just first short circuited and then attached to Q. Fine. And what output is coming from S? That is Q bar. And here from this terminal, it is coming. Output of this is Q. So that terminology is going to clear here. That whatever is my NOR gate, I know you know this circuit, but हम जब layout when we are making schematic, in that time it is necessary to know that my the NOR gate in which I have R as an input, another is no one, Q output निकल रहा है, and S के साथ जब है second is nullify Q bar. So Q bar is coming on R and Q is coming on S. So the same thing I need to know that Q is here. इस वाले में से हमें आउटपुट मिल रहा है Q bar and here is Q and both are feedback. So ये connection is very important to understand and put it well. ठीक है? The same thing is here. That is why ये तो common ही है हमारे क्या tool use होंगे and theory and all. Latch means without clock. A memory unit without clock is supposed to consider as latch. ठीक है? So this is SR latch कह लो या whatever, and then अगर इसमें मैं 2 AND gate and 1 inverter लगाती हूँ, so then it is used to be like my D latch. So now need to understand is ये जो AND gate है, D is coming here and invert of D is going to the next AND gate, and when enable we are using it. ठीक है? And then output of both AND gate is moving further for Q and Q bar. And that is the same thing exactly we are proceeding here. That is ये inverter है. What this inverter is doing, this is my D input. Where I want to give D, there I will send D, and where I want to send D bar, so वो इस तरह से. Fine. Now secondly, see here V1 ये आ रहा है, ये इन्वर्ट होके यहाँ जा रहा है, and here it is directly coming here invert. Why? D और D bar जो है वो हम यहाँ पर उसको ले रहे हैं. Then this is a Q bar, Q, and this is a Q bar. Fine. That is exactly. And जब हम इसका आउटपुट देखेंगे, so it is going to be like C. This is a Q bar and Q. Q bar तो ठीक है, just opposite of Q रहेगा, and C, this is my D. और ये जो बीच के इंटरमीडिएट सिग्नल्स हैं हमारे, वो यहाँ पर आ मीन्स आउटपुट फर्स्ट का और सेकंड का जैसे इन्वर्ट होके जो मिल रहा है, ये भी जस्ट अपोजिट रहेगा. दैट इज कमिंग. ठीक है? व्हेन वी मेक, इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू कोलैबोरेट इट। अभी तुम्हें रेडीमेड दिख रहा है तो तुम्हें बहुत इजी गोइंग या ऐसे लग रहा है कि ओके फाइन इट इज like very user friendly or that, but in a reality it is like bit difficult to understand the circuitry and all. सी, ये तो समझ में आ गया तुम्हें, यहाँ एक V1 इनपुट मिल रहा है, उसका इन्वर्ट जा रहा है। नाउ सी दिस MP2 और ये दिस, दे आर गेटिंग दिस D। ये तो एक सिग्नल, ये तो इन्वर्ट वाला जो हमें लेना है वो है, ये इनेबल वाला सिग्नल है, ये दिस इनेबल 0 और इनेबल 1, दैट इज दिस D एक्चुअल जो हम दे रहे हैं, दैट इज हियर ओनली, this D is here, here I am giving D and the enable is connecting here, fine, whatever output is coming उसको हमें, ये NAND का है, एक इन्वर्ट लगाएंगे तो NOR हो रहा है, that is Q and here I am getting Q bar, ठीक है, this D is coming here, another input is enable connected to enable 1, fine, and finally what we are getting with the ANDing of, with the ANDing of enable and D, उसका just invert हमारा यहाँ Q में आ रहा है, this is my Q. Now again see here, this is a Q bar. So now look at the circuitry. Q bar जो है वो इस वाले NOR में जाएगा and Q in this. The same thing it is happening here. This is my Q. इसकी फीडबैकिंग जहाँ जानी है वो वापस होके वहाँ आ रही है और Q bar की जहाँ जानी है वो। Now I just suggest you take first a screenshot and then make it. I am giving you. One more lab might be required in the next week. फिर शायद तुम्हारा complete हो जाएगा. The day when we complete, उसके बाद मैं I will give you 10 days. बनाने के लिए why I am recommending you, because in the main exams offline or whether it is online is going to be there, so at least you can draw by your hand and make it, because software is not in your part. So those students to whom 10 area practical will come, so for them it is like what to do. So okay, fine, procedure everything you will do. So as it is a purchased one software, so at least you can draw the circuit by your hand. By that I will come to know ki okay, fine, little bit you know regarding that circuit. Completed, Vandana, Mandeep, मनदीप को एनी मोहित बना लिया क्या बेटा? Network issue is coming. I'm just leaving the meeting and again rejoining. Okay, ये इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके जब तक तुम बनाओ, I'm again starting.